Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to open an Instagram account. So first, open Play Store on your mobile device. Then go ahead and tap on search, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and type in Instagram. The official Instagram app looks like this. Go ahead and tap on install. After the installation is complete, tap on open. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Otherwise, tap on create new account. Here you can sign up with your email or add your phone number. I'm gonna go and create an account with my email. Then after filling in your email, your username and password, you'll see your new Instagram account has been created. And now you guys know how to open an Instagram account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with.